First, you'll notice that we have to zero. We have to make sure that this is on. So we press the on button, and it comes on 0, 0. All right. The first thing that we have to do is we have to measure the actual mass of the beaker and the actual weight of the beaker, and zero it out inside the actual weigher balancer. Excuse me. Alright, so now we're going to want to zero out the actual beaker so that we can put the chemical inside the beaker. Alright, now the beaker weighs nothing. So therefore we can take the beaker out and begin to do our experiment. Alright, now we are about to extract from this beaker with the pipette. Alright, you put a little bit of the head inside, and you squeeze this. And you go make sure this is on tight enough to where it'll actually suck the air out. Alright, so you unsqueeze slowly, or however you feel like unsqueezing. And you get how much you want out, and you cap it. Alright, you'll notice that the initial for this one is about 1.8. The initial is about 1.8. Alright, so now we're going to take it out and we're going to put it in here so that we can actually measure the mass of this.
What Antonio is doing is carefully placing.
Alright, so we took it, so we have that done. So now we're going to put this down. Now we're about to test the actual weight and the amount that's in here. So we put this in here. And since this is very sensitive to air pressure and air currents, we're going to close this. We're going to close the actual door to it, and we're going to find out, see what it measures. Alright, the ending measurement, it will be 8.1-ish. 8.1, well, 8. We'll go with 8.
Okay.
All right. So now that we got that, we're gonna go back over it, and we're gonna actually use this again, and we're gonna find out which one is more accurate.
The second time you use your beaker, you need to make sure that it's been rinsed out and dried out very thoroughly. There we go. You're gonna make sure that the balance is on, and then you're going to zero it, like so. Right? I did it right? Yep, there we go. And then you open it like that. And then you place the beaker on the balance. Back up. And you record the mass, which is 68.898 grams. And then you write that down. And you return to the balance. You take out the beaker, and now you will use the pipette. Now, you place it in the water, and you use the bulb to get the water. And when you look at it, you read it, and there's a meniscus in the pipette because the water molecules are attracted to each other, and therefore they go towards the walls. Like, where's my finger? Oh, yeah, over there. So you read it from the bottom of it, and when you do that, it is 5.8, and then you subtract 5.8 from 10. And you get 4.2, and then you put it in there.
What about the 4.2?
Initial is 5.8, and final is 10. And then you take the beaker and you place it into this. You open it first. You place it onto the balance. Then you close it, and you record the mass, which is 73.073.